Good morning, folks. It's another beautiful day here in
Shropshire.
Ludlow. I was thinking Ludlow, you're thinking
It's going to
Shropshire.
take James 2 hours to get there.
Take James 2 hours to get there.
It takes us now, takes James 2.
Oh well. Right, today for breakfast, I'm having something different. I'm having special K. Don't know whether you can see that. Yeah, special K. And Mike's still on his cornflakes.
At the moment.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm thinking about changing.
It's, what are you thinking of changing now?
No, tomorrow.
Right. It's about 28, 29 outside degrees. Stunning. But trying to keep the caravan cool is a different matter altogether. We didn't do much vlogging yesterday, I'm very sorry, and I can't see how we're going to do very much today because we're with my eldest son James and his girlfriend Kelsey. Kind of the next few days are all about our boys because it's Saturday today, so we're seeing James today. Sunday we're seeing Oliver. Oliver doesn't care whether we film him or not. Him and Carrie are quite chilled. And then on Monday we're hoping we get a day to go and do some stuff for us, but Tuesday we pack up and we go. Not that I want to. And we're seeing Mike's boys, both of them, on Tuesday, but it's also a day of travel, so I'm sure you don't want to be with us all the day through travelling.
Right, babe, I think I found a middle ground. It's an hour and a half for James to Crewe. It's an hour and 3/4 for us.
So go to Crewe.
Well, it's 2 hours for James to go to Shrewsbury.
Okay, so go to Crewe then.
Well, it's now half an hour less driving for him.
Okay. And an hour and how long for us?
Oh, sorry, it's an hour for James, but it's an hour and a half for us.
Well,
It's just longer for us, but less for him.
it's the same difference then, isn't it, really? He's doing an hour and a half to, well, 2 hours to get here. Which...
Yeah, the difference is though, babe, right? It's he has to come down the A49 to get to here.
Right. Okay. This husband of mine is a love, but a pain in the bum at times. Yesterday, said to him, I'm sorting it out. Sorted it out and now he wants to change it. But that's fine. I'm glad with that because, to be honest, the one in Shropshire's only got a small outside area that we can sit on.
Don't know about grease to green.
We'll ring and ask.
Afternoon, guys.
Oh yeah, afternoon, guys.
It's just 1 o'clock. We're on our way back up to Crewe to meet
Our
Jamesy.
boys, yeah. Well, yeah, Jamesy. It's 28 degrees. So, very warm indeed.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
What I'm doing now. I better in that picture, aren't I?
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi folks, we decided to come off road a bit, or rather Mike did. We're doing a bit of a...
One of our bright side days again.
I know he's going to watch this disappear now and start panicking. What made you come this way, sweet?
It's just does lead further down to the A49.
Right.
However, we cross the stream.
So little Billy Bear might be able to have a run.
Might be able to. If they know where to park, then yes. If not, then no.
Oh. Well, let's just keep our fingers crossed then.
Let's go back lane. This. No, I know why it's going back lane.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake.
Shit, mate.
Take me away now.
Stop panicking just because it's got grass.
I'm worried about scratching the bloody car.
Unless you've got some,
That was a scratch.
unless you've got a strimmer, there's not much you can do.
And so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
See, we do go on some magical mystery tours. At least we're taking you with us.
Oh, it's live before recording.
Yeah.
Wow. This is me being about as brave as I'd like to be.
The return of the drone. I don't know if you can actually see it, folks, but no, you won't be able to. It's still quite high up. And plus there's 25 million bugs on the windscreen. There you go. Coming into land. Yay! Wait a minute. Did you press record?
Yeah, I fucking brought it down though. Can't see how it's right, but Ludlow Golf, you're right.
We're driving through what looks like a race track, as in horses.
Ludlow racetrack,
Yeah.
and that says Ludlow Golf Club.
So,
And apparently there's a road out over there, so
yeah.
we're guessing. I hope we have to go all the way fucking back, don't we? Sorry for swearing. I hope we have to go all the way back.
Continue straight.
Well, she's saying continue. No, you won't have to go all the way back. It would be totally impractical to have a golf course.
In a
Yeah.
quarter of a
Race
mile,
track.
turn
Yeah,
right onto B4. Turn right onto B4365.
Oh, right. Go, babe, you're right.
Yeah. Let's go home now. Head to the caravan. Feet up and relax.
Continue on A49 for 1.5 miles.
Right, we can exit this young lady now. She's done her bit.
I think it's a wrong turning.
No, you haven't. Oh, maybe you have.
Yeah,
Okay, so we're having another detour.
This is Ludlow. Put it back on.
Oh,
She was right.